Back here in Arizona, we continue to see increases in coronavirus cases across our state. Health officials are now reporting more than 7,500 cases. News 4 Tucson's Priscilla Casper is here to break down those numbers for us. Good afternoon, Priscilla.
Well, good afternoon, Amanda. As of this morning, the Arizona Department of Health Services now reporting 7,648 COVID-19 cases in the state of Arizona. They're also reporting 320 deaths. That is, they're also reporting 446 new COVID-19 cases across the state of Arizona. Again, and a reminder to viewers, since there is a lag in testing and the reporting of testing from the state health department, we have mentioned this before that when we say 400 some new cases today, that doesn't mean in the last 24 hours. Some of the cases could have happened a month ago, 3 weeks ago, even 3 days ago. This is just the first time it's being reported to the state health department. So we want to again make a reminder to that to viewers at home. Now let's get a look at a breakdown by county numbers. Pima County reporting so far 1,241 reported cases. Pima County is still reporting 80 deaths. That is no new deaths reported today for the county. Maricopa County is still reporting the highest number of cases with almost 4,000. According to the state health department, more than 71,000 people have been tested and 9% of those tested were positive. This is a look at the last 2 weeks, the sum of the cases that happened during each week, the recoveries from the hospital, and then the deaths. You can see that this past week has lower numbers than the week prior, and I do want to note here that these are the cases so far that the state health department is reporting happened between these days, and these numbers change daily as more cases get reported to the health department. Now, if you do want an in-depth look at a breakdown of these cases, head over to our website, KVOA.com, for a link. Arizona Governor Doug Ducey has extended the state's stay-at-home order until May 15th. The governor made that announcement yesterday. Ducey says the outbreak appears to have slowed in the state, but he says that there's no clear sign that deaths and new cases are trending down.
We realize that every decision that's been made affects the citizens of Arizona, and we want you to understand why we're making decisions and in what orders, because we know that we have asked a lot of the people of Arizona.
The governor is allowing some retail businesses to partially reopen on Monday with curbside and delivery service or with appointments. He says they can completely reopen by the end of next week if they take steps to allow social distancing. The governor is also looking at ways for restaurants to begin modified dine-in services later in the month. Now, Tucson Mayor Regina Romero held a press conference call this morning talking about steps she's taking to stop the spread of COVID-19 in Tucson, as well as touching upon Governor Doug Ducey's stay-at-home order. News 4 Tucson's Daniel McFarland was on that call. And Daniel, what did she have to say?
Good afternoon, Priscilla. Well, for the most part, what she was talking about was staying in lockstep with the governor. She does not want to deviate too far from what he is doing in his plan, not only because of what she wants, but also down from orders from the governor. She's not allowed to make a whole lot of deviations from his plan. One thing she said she would like to maybe mandate for the people around Tucson is wearing masks, but as of right now, she is not ready to pull that trigger just yet. She is also very concerned about the businesses around the area, but she's also cautious as well. Take a listen.
We're seeing states around the country that wanted to open up too soon, and those cases, those COVID-19 cases, there's spikes in those states that are doing that.
As of right now, she's still keeping an eye on the area as far as things like salons and gyms. Those are two very different situations. She believes that salons are going to open up sooner, but there is no view of gyms opening up anytime soon. Same thing with things like yoga studios and bars. Those are going to be on hold. But when it comes to those restaurants, she is eager to get those open to help out the local economy. From the west side, Daniel McFarland, News 4 Tucson. Amanda?
All right. Thank you very much, Dan.